Today we discuss about Ohm's law. So what is Ohm law? Usually Ohm's law we relate if V, that means voltage, I is current, R is resistor, VIR. Okay, much of the modern electrical science discovered in 19th century. Law of electromagnetism discovered in 1865 by James Clerk Maxwell and Alexander Graham Bell then invented a telephone in 1885. Nikola Tesla developed alternating current induction in 1880s. So Ohm's law also discovered in 1885 by George Simon Ohm. Usually, Ohm's law we relate with the three quantities in electrical circuit: voltage, current, resistance. V equal to I times R. Voltage equal to current times resistance. Whereas in scientific unit, volts equal to ampere times ohms. Think of the voltage as a force which is driving the total electric flow current. Again, the resistance a portion of electric circuit. What does that mean? When you're driving, it is like the electric flow. So when you see a resistance, for example, you see the uh, you see the barrier, we call it resistance. So it is the same with the Ohm's law. So Ohm's law magic triangle, E equal to IR. E E or V is the same. Okay, if we close the if you want to find the current, the formula is become E over R. Or if you want to find resistance, the formula become E over I. Ohm's law. Define the relationship between voltage, current, and resistance. This basic electrical unit apply direct current or alternating current. Ohm's law is the foundation of electronic and electricity. This formula used extensively by electricians. Without a true understanding of Ohm's law, an electrical cannot design or troubleshoot even the simplest of electronic circuit. Voltage measure in volts symbolized by the letter E or V. Current measure in amp symbolized by the letter of I. Resistance measure in ohm symbolized by the letter of R. So you can see in the chart in current quantity symbol, unit of measurement, unit abbreviation. Current I, the unit is ampere, the abbreviation is A. Voltage E or V, the unit is volt, the abbreviation is V. Resistance is R, the unit is ohm, and the abbreviation is like this: V equal to I R. I times R. So if you know E and I and wish to determine R, just eliminate R from the picture and then you can see what is left. R equal to E over I. If you know E and R and wish to determine I, eliminate I and see what's left. I equal to E over R. If you know I and R, wish to determine E, eliminate E and see what's left. Let's see how this equation works to help us analyze simple current circuit. So you can see electric flow is like driving a car, and then you see the resistance. For example, you see the cat on the road, and then you see the electric flow. This is the power of the car battery. If we know the value of any of three quantities, voltage, current, and resistance in the circuit, we can use Ohm's law to determine the third. That means if we know the resistance and the volt, we can find the current, the value of current. If we know the voltage and current, we can find the value of resistance. If we know current and resistance, the value of current and resistance, we can know we can define, we can get what is the power of the battery. Ohm's law, consumption through resistance. You see, in Ohm's law, you must have V, I, and R. Right? Example of this basic rule of Ohm's law are baseboard heater, electronic frying pan, toaster, electric light bulb. Okay. The heater consumes power producing heat for warmth. The frying pan consumes power producing heat for general cooking. The toaster consumes power producing heat for cooking toast. The electric light bulb consumes power producing heat, more important light. Ohm's law. Resistance, the opposition of flow. Current, the flow of electron through a circuit. Voltage, potential difference, the push behind electricity. Symbol R, current I, and voltage symbol R. You can see the Ohm's law. Resistance, label, omega symbol. Current A, amperes. Voltage V. The size of wire, thick wire, less resistant. Thin wire, more resistant. Long wire, more resistant. Short wire, less resistant. Okay, ampere. The resistance in the circle. Greater resistance, less current. Less resistant, greater current. The voltage. Greater potential difference equal to greater voltage. Okay, you can see the opposition of flow of current, symbol, and equation. Current, the flow of electron through the circuit, symbol I, and equation. Voltage, V, symbol, V equal to IR. Okay. Resistance, omega. Size thick wire, less resistant. Thin wire, more resistant. Long wire, more resistant. Short wire, less resistant. Current, ampere. The resistance, greater resistance, less current. Less resistant, greater the current. Voltage, volt. Potential difference. This is IV characteristic graph. You can see V equal V and I. In the x-axis is I, y-axis is V. So if you want to find the resistance, we just try find the slope of R. R equal to the difference of voltage divided by the difference of current. IV character graph for resistor. The simplest IV character involves a resistor which accordingly to Ohm law. To exhibit a linear relationship between the applied voltage and the resulting electric current. However, environmental factors such as temperature or material character of the resistor can produce a non-linear curve in practical condition. So that means if the weather, the temperature is very hot, maybe you cannot produce the non-linear curve. Okay. For example, like this, follow resistor as ohm device. Follow ohm law for all voltage across it. The resistance of the device is independent of all magnitude and polarity of the applied potential difference. And the resistance is said to have constant value. In this case, the plot of V versus I is a straight line, passing through the origin, as shown in figure 1. And the slope of the line is the resistor R of the device. Okay, you can see this. Okay. V and R, this. And then you must know that if the temperature is very high, you cannot get this linear graph. The end. Thank you very much. See you soon. Bye bye.